Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to present to organize your presentation in PowerPoint. We are going to use the slide master for designing your presentation so that your audience can understand it well, that this is really a, a, a presentation. Now we are going to start now. This is my presentation. This is my presentation. In my first slide, I have my company called Lilowi. I'm going to to to, to present my company. Now, this is I'm going to introduce my company. This is my company called Lilowi Technology. This is my logo and my quality. Now, from my next slide is these are questions I'm going to answer so that people can know that this is really your company. I have here who are we? What is your company? I'm going to tell people that's my company, our product, what products are you selling in your company? Where do I operate? All those I've already watching or opened their slides. This is a third slide. This is a fourth slide, a fifth slide, a sixth slide, a seventh slide. These are all what? My slides. Now we are going to use a slide master for designing our what? Our work. Now you go to view, then after view you come to what? Slide master. Now from slide master here, this slide master, it doesn't this is a first slide. This is slide, if you're designing your thing, all the slides will be what? Appearing there. Now from there, we are first of all going to what? To design our what? My presentation using a slide master. Now I can come to here. I want to change the color, the font color. I click there. I can change the font color from here. Like I want to this one. So that people can understand my thing, because the heading should be this one. Let me select this one. That is my font color I want, and even the color here I want this one. I want to white. Here I want white. Then after that, now like that. That's the thing. All these have been what? Changed. The things have been what? Changed. Now from there, now that your company, you are supposed to insert some things into what? Into your things, because this presentation is even the images. You need to put your images so that can show what? Your presentation. Now to the slides. I have like here I can put the images into my what? Into my presentation. This one, because I have a printer, I have a scanner, I have a laptop, a desktop, and you should put those things onto images. I go to insert here, insert, then I go to pictures. Like that, I have my pictures here, like a flat screen. I press that one, I go to insert. Now this is my flat screen, so that these are things I found in my company. I just put this one also, this one like this. I drag it here, so that is my thing. I go and pick again another one. This one. These are fonts. I have those one also again in my company. Insert. I reduce their sizes like that. Then I reduce the size of it. Then I drag here to put. Then I pick again another one. I go to insert pictures. I have a printer here. I insert. I reduce the size of it. like that. I bring it there. I go to insert again. I pick another one because I have a laptop. This one. I go to insert. Is even appearing, and I reduce its size. Like that. I put it also that so that when I am presenting my work, I can show the example of things I have in my factory. Now from this slide, now the next slide, I'm going to pick pictures which are like houses of to illustrate that you are in your company is found in Uganda. I go again to insert here a picture. I pick this Uganda. I go to insert. I reduce the size. I reduce the size. Like this is Uganda because my company is in Uganda. Then I pick another one. A presentation has also pictures so that people can believe that you are really having a company in Uganda. They can go and look for that company through that picture. I put this one also. This is America. I pick another one. And this one. This is China. No, this is India. Beg my pardon. I reduce the size. Like that. Like that. That now those things can show that, for example, I have this one and this one and this one. So we are going to design now to design our work. You come here to design. You can pick anything from here, any background you want from here. Now I want this background, that one. You see, they have all applied into my all my things. This background is nice for me. I can pick that one. Now I'm going to transitions here. Transitions. I can pick any transition from here. Like I want this one, random bars. This one I can select that one. Yeah, for me I don't want sound because sound is there. I go to apply to all. Here you go to, you can even time, because here you can even time your things. If you can, if you can, you can even select and put any background you want into one slide. But for me, I want to put this one is a nice background. I want to put into into my presentation. Now from there, I come to here to what to play to all my slides. I go to view. Eh? Slideshow, not view, pardon. Then start from the what? Start from the what? From the beginning. Then I tap again. You see? I tap again. My things appear. Tap again. You see? My thing appears. My thing appears. While you're what? You're explaining. You're explaining your things like that. Like that. You see? Like that. You cannot even you can set it automatic. Automatic. You can set it with automatic. That is that. That's mainly how to organize a presentation in a PowerPoint. That's what I can tell you. You can also first go and try it out while following my steps. You can see that you can arrive to a certain step of what organizing a presentation. Be tuned in my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and put a comment so that I can know where have you want to clear explanations. I can explain for you individually. I wish you the best.